This is how you can create a free time in zoom stop effect in Adobe Premiere Pro CC completely for free. Step number 1, have your video layer on the timeline. Click position and scale. Step number 2, move 20 frames to the right or hold down shift to the right arrow key 4 times like so. Once your video clip is highlighted, go under to effects control, click motion, this icon right here. Make this where you want to center, and then in this case you want her face in the center. Go to effect control, click on motion, and then zoom in on the scale to the right. Go back and then click here and move it to where you would want to focus on the center of the frame. Next step, click on the video click and click M to add a marker. So we have a marker like so. This is what this looks like. The next step is to create a cut. Click on the video, right click, click insert frame, hold segment. This part of the video clip you can delete, and then click on the video clip, click on effect controls, and then change the rotation to whatever it is you want. In this case, 5 degrees. So this is the before, as you can see, and this is the after. Look how beautiful that looks, completely for free. Subscribe for more tutorials.